Hi everyone, it's great to see you. This morning I have a conifer that has arrived here that I'm really excited about. So let's get this open. I know that the cats are very excited to see what is in the box and probably excited for the box. Here we go. So once again, this is an order from Mr. Maple. Oh, and look at how great this looks. I'm going to be really careful here. Ah, look at this guy. This is so cute. I'm going to take him out of his bag here a little bit. So when these arrive from Mr. Maple, they're tied into a bag to keep the dirt in, and they put this great little collar around the top that you remove once it gets here, but it keeps the dirt from falling out, which is really helpful. And they pin it in place. I'm going to carefully take the pin out. There we go. Oops. Yeah, I always get dirt everywhere, so we'll just put, here's the little collar piece that comes off. And you can see they landscape pin it right down so it makes it through the trip just fine. Oh, this looks great. Look at this conifer. Oh my goodness. And the box is already well used. So this is a dwarf weeping hemlock. You can tell that it is going to be weeping in nature by the way it bends over. And it's dwarf because it's a slow grower. After about 10 years, you can expect it to be 5 to 6 feet tall, 6 to 8 feet wide, and it's going to look kind of like Cousin It. It's going to just droop over and have all these beautiful hanging pieces. Now, as an evergreen, this is a great piece. It's a backdrop to something. So you know that I started my little miniature garden up front that has dwarf conifers, and it has a number of dwarf Japanese maples. Now, I want my Japanese maples to really pop, especially those that are the coral barks. So by putting this towards the back, I'm going to give it this rich green, this rich evergreen background so that I can see the coral bark against it. And I think this is perfect. Now, another reason that this particular one, which is called Pendula, I think I said that right, is perfect for this area is that this particular type of dwarf weeping hemlock can take partial shade. So for me, I can put this towards the back of the garden. We do have that big overarching canopy. That's our oak tree. But I think we're going to get enough sun to keep this happy. But, you know, maybe not all conifers happy. So this is a good choice. I am so thrilled that it's already showing that weeping look, because to me, that just makes it so interesting. And I think this is going to be gorgeous. So once again, this is a dwarf weeping hemlock called Pendula. Thank you so much, Mr. Maple. I'm really excited about this one. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.